Hello guys, you want to learn how to restore your headlights? Stay tuned, I'll walk you through it. Alright guys, these headlights are damaged really bad, kind of yellow, and there it is. They're peeling real bad, so let's just restore them, and they'll end up like new. First of all, I'm gonna get myself a DA with some 400 grit sandpaper. I'm gonna start sanding it. All you gotta do with the DA, sand the headlight completely. Make sure it's completely all this clear or whatever it is that's coming apart. Make sure it's completely peeled off. Make sure it's completely sanded. Alright, after they're completely sanded, what's going to happen next is I'm going to get myself a maroon Scotch-Brite, but I'm going to put it with the DA. Let me show you how. That's where I'm going to start scuffing it with the maroon Scotch-Brite. There it is. All I did, I got myself some scissors, placed the Scotch-Brite in the Velcro. It'll stick to it, and I just cut around it. This is going to make me this type of sanding. All right, let me just start sanding it with this, and I'll be done so that I can start clearing. And there it is, guys. After sanding it with the maroon Scotch-Brite, they're ready to go. And if you didn't see the painting of these lowrider patterns, I'm going to add the video at the end of this video. Check it out. All I'm doing is just flow coating it. So let's just get started. Start applying the clear. Alright guys, before applying the clear coat, I'm going to add some adhesion promoter. This is just to get that clear coat to stick perfectly and not peel off like the way it was. All right, that's all I'm doing. That's it. I'm just gonna let it dry for about 10 minutes, apply another coat, and I'll be ready for the clear coat. There it is, brand new again. And there's a quick little video on how to restore your headlights. You can do this at home. And guys, thank you very much. Have a great weekend. I'll see you this coming weekend. Like always, God bless.